Hi guys, today's Earth Day. And it's Nature Day for Animal Crossing New Leaf on Amiibo. Good morning, Mary Josh. And it's Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It's 8 a.m., right? Yes, let's warm this up. Oh, we all said. Oh, that's right, Mary Josh. It's Nature Day. I have a special something for just this occasion, so come find me later to grab it. Oh, and I need to tell you, one of our residents, Clyde, is leaving tomorrow. It's a little sad, isn't it? I feel like saying goodbye as the mayor might be a nice thing for you to do. Okay. Clyde's leaving. I believe I'll go say goodbye to Clyde first. Here's his house. Away, he's sleeping. But in the meantime, I'll just go see this special occasion. Hey, ooh, it's Isabelle. Mayor, today is Nature Day. That's why I prepared a special something to celebrate Nature Day this year. Thank you. It's a cool glow. Please take this and never forget means of a clear town. A clean town. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, cutouts. Oh. Let me put down the shovel. That's great. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Good night and Happy Nature Day.